Hello friends, good afternoon. Thanks for always following my videos. This is Jonah once again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I will be taking you straight through the item called the Google Drive, and that is none other than the storage of your work or documents or any details as you store them online, not on your PC, not on your phone. And this one will always help you to retrieve your data in case you've lost your phone or you've lost your computer which was containing your data. But after maybe you have backed up this data on Google Drive, there's no need to worry, because you can now use another computer or phone to just log in with your email account or Google account. I remember last time I taught you how to create an email account or Google account. So you just log in that account in any phone you come across, then you retrieve your data that you really kept. So with this, what you do, you have to be connected to the internet, and after there you use any internet explorer or internet accessor. For my case, I'll be using this Google Chrome, so it has taken me to internet. So to access Google Drive, what you do, you can scroll up to the top right corner and check on this rectangular formation of small dots here. There are small dots forming a rectangular formation here. So when you tap on it, you see these Google items being displayed here. So among these Google items, there is one called Google Drive, and it's what I'll be taking you through today. So that's how easily you can access the Google Drive, and this is the page that will be displayed to you. And to create a new form or a new document that you want to keep on Drive, on internet, you come to this tab that you're seeing here at the top left corner here. It's having the word new. When you tap on it, you see a drop down menu having what you can upload or what you can create and then upload. You can create documents, for example Word documents. You can create a blank Word document. You create a document from a template which is already pre-existing in the computer, or you can create Google Sheets. This may be like Excel sheets. We can sample them a bit. This is what I was using, these sheets. Or else you can create Google Slides, PowerPoint. Then lastly, you can create Google Forms also. So as I task you to check on these first three, the Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides. For me, I'll be taking you through the Google Forms. The Google Forms, you can either form a blank form and fill in, then make their, with Google Forms, we are meaning maybe you are in a company or a school, and you are interested in, maybe you are welcoming applications, but online applications. But now you have some details that you want from your applicant. For example, you want the applicant's details, the name, the marital status, the academic qualifications, the highest level, the address, so the contact email. So what you do, you create a form that you will share with your applicants so that they fill that form and they become part of your applicants. And what you do, we can form a form from a template, or equally we can use our own. We can open our own blank form and just create it, or you can have, so let's use a blank form, and this is how we shall go about it. For a form, this is the page which will be displayed when the moment you enter the form. So what happens, this form is still untitled Nostrum. So let me title it as maybe I can title it as school academy. That becomes our name of our form now. So I want you to follow me until you see what will come out. Remember, if we title our form as the Regional Academy SES, then the details about our form or description of our form is that its applicant is details. Remember, maybe in my school I want to recruit teachers, and so I want the details of applicants. I want the details of applicants. Then what I do, I start with the questions. I can say I want your full names, not so. I can say I want your full names. Full names. Then I may want the name in, it should be a short answer, not a paragraph, not a multiple choice or what. I just want a short name. Give me your surname, give me your given name. So you will write here, you will fill your answer here. And now if you want that part to be mandatory for your applicant to fill, you have to tap on this one. You see this one is required, so it will have a star here. As you are going to see, a star will be indicated on the question here. So you add another form, that's the star was meaning. So the applicant will fill here. Then the other question could be, maybe after the name you want giving those details as you continue to indicate that these details you want are mandatory, so they are required. And in case your applicant doesn't fill any, we will not be able to submit the form. We will not be able to submit his or her details. So this is how we are adding a new part of the form. So just tap on the add. So a new one comes, and you want a question, maybe highest level of education, highest level of education. So for this we can give it multiple choice, as you can see, multiple choice, and you keep typing in. One is a bachelor's, then the applicant will tick here, or advanced level or ordinary level, and I'm stopping there. So I can continue. Actually, I've forgotten something, that I've forgotten some mandatory detail that the applicant should fill. Like immediately after the names, I expect to see the gender, so I can insert a new question here. That's it. Tapping on the plus, as you can see here, a new one will be inserted. So I will say the gender, your gender, and I say it's multiple choice. Maybe option 1 you are a male, option 2 you are a female. Then you will tick where appropriate, and I say this one is mandatory. So this is how our form will be. please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, with the Google Drive, everything you are doing is being automatically saved. There's no need to suffer with saving, but it's just being saved automatically. So you, after all this, you send, and now you can send it via email, via, or you can just keep this form out together. So we can just keep this form and we send it, maybe we share it somewhere, we share it with somebody. So they are saying, if you share it via email, can you give the details of the receiver of that form? So you can, since you have very many applicants, say, and you had collected their emails as they were applying, and so you can now put in all their emails here and you send to them at once, or you give individually and tell that individual to share it, maybe on WhatsApp, and so this is what will come out. Then what you do next is just to tap on send, and our email will go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for always liking my videos. I please remind those who have not subscribed to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Yeah.